Linking your bank account to Allstate is a straightforward process that allows for easier management of your insurance payments. Follow these steps to successfully connect your account. Step 1. Log into your Allstate account. Visit the Allstate website or open the Allstate mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to payment options. Once logged in, locate the payments or billing section on your account dashboard. This is where you can manage your payment methods. Step 3. Select Add Bank Account. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter bank account information. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save your changes. You may receive a verification message or email confirming the successful linking of your bank account. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to your Allstate account, making your payment process more convenient. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Allstate customer support for assistance.